In today's video, I will teach you how to animate a photo of a person's face using AI. Let's get started. Whether you're creating a fun content for social media, adding personality to profile photos, or just curious to try something new, the Face Mimic feature on Photor allows you to bring facial expressions and speech to any photo instantly. So open your browser and visit Photor's Face Mimic page. On the top right corner of the workspace, click the Upload Image button, and make sure to choose a clear front-facing photo from your computer, and avoid group photos, side profiles, or heavily obscured faces. Below the workspace, Photor provides a variety of expression videos and voiceover samples. So scroll through the animation library, and each template has a preview that you can click to view. Some feature singing, talking, smiling, or dramatic expressions. You can unmute the preview to hear the voice or music associated with each one. Alternatively, you can upload your own audio or video for custom mimicry. Once your image and animation template are both selected, click the Generate button, and each animation costs 5 credits to generate. And if you're new to Photor, you can activate a free trial to try this tool before subscribing. The generation process typically takes under 30 seconds. And once the animation is ready, you can click the Compare button to toggle between the before and after, and make sure to unmute the video to hear the voice or sound included in the animation. The animated video will be available for 24 hours, so don't forget to save it. Click Download to save the video to your computer, or click Add to Collection to save it to your Photor account for later. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.